everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2015 Toyota 4Runner SR5 located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of this 4Runner is called Alpine White and has 165,297 kilometers on it. This vehicle also has a 4-liter V6 cylinder gas engine that puts out 270 horsepower with a torque of 278 pounds per foot. This 4Runner uses 14.2 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 11.1 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So first we're taking a look at our interior door panel. So up top here you can see that you have your power windows, your power locks, and your child safety locks. Just down below here you have a nice handle right by where your door handle is with a little small compartment right here. And just down below that you have a bigger compartment with room for 2 cup holders. Quick look at the front interior. The upholstery is leather. You do have power driver seat, nice leather steering wheel with your steering wheel audio controls, and right over here you do have power mirrors as well. So here you can see these arrows control the radio station. And you can also go back with it too. Here you have the mode. So for this mode, you can switch it between satellite radio, AM radio, Bluetooth, or FM radio, or you can also mute the sound to put it on hold. Here you can adjust the sound for not only a phone call, but also for the radio station. You can listen as we turn it up. Over here, you can make a phone call, hang up a phone call. You have voice recognition. And this display button here, if you hit the display button, just looking at the digital screen, you can see that it changes to whichever display you're looking for until you find one that you like. Now, looking at the odometer, over on the left-hand side, you can see you have your RPM. In the middle, at the top on the left, you have your temperature gauge for your coolant. In the middle, you have which gear the vehicle is in. And then over on the right side at the top, you have your fuel gauge. Down at the bottom, you have your digital screen, which tells you which direction you're heading in, how many kilometers are left on your tank of gas, which temperature it is outside, and how many kilometers are on this vehicle. And then over on the right hand side you have your speedometer. Jumping over here to take a look at the radio, you do have a CD player up top here. This is a 6.1 inch touchscreen radio. So if we look over here at audio, we just click our options here. Actually, if you double click audio, this comes up too. You have AM, FM, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection. And then hitting on apps, you also have a navigation system in here. That's just what that looks like right there. You can also access the navigation system on the home screen just by clicking on it. And then you have your controls for the CD player just right over here. We're going to take a quick look at the rear view camera as well. So you have your backup camera. Now just jumping down to here, you have your rear window defrost, which also controls your heated mirrors. Down here you have a nice small compartment, great for holding your phone, because right here you also have a USB-A port and auxiliary input. Then you also have a 12-volt outlet right there. Another nice compartment down at the bottom. Taking just a quick look down here. So here you have your heated seats, your heated passenger and driver seats. And this little button here, if you push it down, it automatically goes down. And your back window goes down, and then you can also pull it right back up. Just like that. If we open up our little console here too, you can also see that there is another 12-volt outlet in here as well. Quick look over on the passenger side. As you can see, you have your power locks and power windows on the passenger side door. Right here, you have your glove compartment, great for storing bills to keep up with maintenance of the vehicle. Right up here, you have your integrated garage door opener. You also have right here your auto dimming rear view mirror. And last but not least, you have your moonroof. Now we're quickly going to take a look at the driver's side exterior. So right down here, you can see you have fog lights. You also, it's really hard to see, but you do have your daytime running lights just right there. That's the little orange light you see coming up along the side here. You have your 17-inch alloy wheels. You also have your integrated turn signal mirrors. And down below you have side steps that go right from the front all the way to the back. Great if little kids are trying to get into the back of the vehicle. Now at the back, taking a look at the trunk. So here you can see you have a nice wide trunk. Lots of room if you have a couple hockey bags back here, or lots of room for groceries. You also have a 12-volt outlet here, or sorry, a 120-volt outlet here, the 12-volt outlet right over here. And you have also a nice little step, so if you're getting into the back, you just have that nice little step. And there you have it. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior rear features. Just like we do in the front, we're also doing in the back. We're taking a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So back here you have your power windows. Right down here you have a nice handle with a little compartment here. And then down below you have room for 2 cup holders. Quick look at the rear interior. The upholstery is leather back here as well. So these seats are a 60-40 bench seat split, and they do easily fold down. You just pull this lever up, and the seats come sliding forward just like that. Or another thing you can do too, there's just a little lever here. You push that, and it comes folding up all the way down just like that. You have a nice little pouch in behind the driver's seat. You also have one in behind the passenger seat. You do have air vents in the middle, and not one but 2 12-volt outlets in the back. One of my favorite things that vehicles have nowadays, this lovely little armrest folds down, but you also have 2 cup holders in it, plus an armrest. So now you have lots of space in between you and the person in the back seat. Quick look over on the passenger side. As you can see, you have your power windows on the passenger side door as well. Alright folks, that was a look at our 2015 Toyota 4Runner in Alpine White. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111. And one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comments section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.